The Kenton County School District is using technology with Navigate Prepared to make safety a priority. It's about all kids in Kenton County, and it's our responsibility to see that our students have a safe learning environment to reach their maximum learning potential. I'm Teal Nally, the Safety Coordinator for the Kenton County School District. I want you to know that safety is our #1 priority in the district, and we're always looking for ways to get a little better each day. That's why we've partnered with Navigate Prepared to improve our safety planning, communication, and our student accountability in emergency situations and drills. And thanks to this tool, all of those things will be available to administrators, teachers, and staff at their fingertips on a smartphone. With Navigate Prepared, our people, as well as the first responders we work with, will have access to instant information based on their role during an emergency situation. For teachers and staff, we know that the primary role in an emergency is going to be keeping our kids safe. And the first step to making this happen can be as simple as downloading the free app to their phone before an emergency happens. Once they log into the app, now they'll have access to all their school's emergency plans. Want to know what to do during a lockdown? A staff member can simply go to the app and click on Flipcharts. Inside Flipcharts, one can find step-by-step procedures of what to do during a lockdown. Now teachers and staff can have all their lockdown procedures, as well as most other procedures, right at their fingertips. Faculty and administrators can use the Respond feature to instantly access class rosters and account for their students during an emergency. Another useful feature is the chat function. It can be used to exchange texts with everyone in the building during an emergency. Using this feature, messages can be exchanged between all staff, which could be invaluable should an intruder be in the building. Navigate Prepared is a tool that first responders are going to find useful too. Using Navigate Prepared, our responding police officers, firefighters, and emergency dispatchers will now have access to school floor plans along with 360-degree pictures of our classrooms. And eventually, police will even be able to access our surveillance camera systems in an emergency. That way, police officers will have the ability to see in real time where the events are occurring. This could decrease response time to a crisis, which has the potential to save lives. Navigate Prepared is one more tool that we're using to make safety a priority in our schools, because in Kenton County, it's about all kids.